I got the 100G U.S. government padlock here. See if we can get this thing open. They're supposed to have a variety of serrated and spools and different combinations. So some will have a couple security pins, and some will have a couple extra. So let's see what we got here. We got click out of 2 and 4, and I think I got a little false set there. Yeah. Another click out of 1. Click out of 3. Oh, looks like got some serrated pins in the back there. Got some clicking going on. Like 5 is binding up back there, but oh, there we go. That must have been a serrated, because I've still got nothing. There we go. And there it is. See what we got. We got ball bearing in there, so can't shim it. That's the 100G, the U.S. government padlock. Felt like I had some serrated pin in there, and some spool pins. All right. Thanks for watching.